Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add house address in Google Map. So first you just have to open your Google Map. Make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now you have to locate your address, so you have to zoom in or you can go to the search bar and look for your location. Once you found your location, what you're going to do next is you have to look for contribute. Tap contribute or this plus icon below. And then here you can now simply add your location here in Google Maps. So simply click this add please, tap this one, and you can add information and details about the place. For example, the name of the place, the exact location, category. Okay, so for place name, if it's your house, then you can add your house name. If it's your business place, you can add your business name. After that, category. Well, category is required here. So click this arrow and then choose, for example, residential, and then apartment building or a housing complex. Everything is up to you. And then address, which is also required here. So you need to add your address, specific place, specific location, specific name of your address right here. And then after that, you can also pin that here. Location within, you can add more details, such as if this one is a business name or your business place or location. You can add hours, you can add contact number, and also website. You could also add photos if you want. Once you're done adding the information, then all you have to do is to click submit, and basically that's it. That's how simple it is to add house address in Google Maps. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.